two ways to take screenshots on the iPhone 16e or the iPhone 16. First, you can press and hold on the side button plus the volume up button. So press on both keys at the same time, and this will allow you to capture a screenshot. So this is the standard and most common method. You will likely need to press on both keys at the same time. So if you do that, you should be able to capture a screenshot. So after you've done that, a brief screen flash will occur and you will see a thumbnail of the screenshot appear briefly in the bottom left corner of the screen. Now the other method is to use the back tap. So if I tap on the back twice like this, it will allow me to take a screenshot. As you can see, if I just do that, here my phone will capture or take a screenshot. Okay, so in order for you to use that feature, you need to go into settings. In settings, we need to go into accessibility. So from the main settings page, scroll down, then tap on accessibility. Next, we go down and tap on touch, and then tap on back tap. Now make sure back tap is turned on by tapping on double tap or triple tap. From here, you go down and select screenshot. So here we select screenshot. It is now turned on and set to double tap at the back. So here, if you double tap, and that will allow you to take a screenshot. Okay, so it's not working as expected. I'm going to double check to make sure we didn't select something else. So we select something else, so I'll do it again. Here we scroll down and select screenshot. And now it is working. As you can see, if I double tap, it will take a screenshot. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.